Hi everyone, we've got a fun activity planned today and you're going to be creating a multiplication video. So today's learning intention, we are going to be creating a video to demonstrate how we solve multiplication equations. The success criteria is I can demonstrate one method I use to solve multiplication equations and I can show my workings out. Step 1. We need to choose a multiplication equation. Now I have written a few options on the Google Classroom, but you can pick any equation that you like. Step 2. We need to decide on a multiplication method that you feel comfortable using. So here are some possible multiplication methods that you can use. So we've covered arrays, split arrays, box method, or the grid method. Just make sure that you feel comfortable and are able to explain the method to somebody who wouldn't know much about it. So step 3, you need to record yourself solving the multiplication equation, or you can ask somebody in your house. You can use a mobile phone or you can use a camera, and then you can upload it to the Google Classroom. So let's see if Miss Harper has any tips. So I have 2 tips for you today. The first tip is make sure you hold the camera over the piece of paper. This way we can see your workings out. And number 2, make sure you share what you're thinking while you solve the equation. Imagine you're showing somebody who doesn't know anything about that multiplication method. So take a look at my example of the box method. Notice how I speak nice and slowly and take my time. So I found these box of pastels in my house. And as you can see, it's an array. So I'm going to show you how to turn this into the box method. So first of all, I'm going to count how many columns I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to draw my box. And I've got 12 columns and I've got 1, 2, 3 rows. So all I need to do is times the number of rows by the number of columns. So 3 times 12, and that equals 36.